Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you the products that Moehair sent me. Before making a shower, I'll show you an important tips for taking care of your hair. So first of all, you have to brush your hair with a wide tooth comb. This step is important to prevent the damages on your hair and also prevent split ends and knots. So here we can see how much my hair was dull and frizzy before the treatment. But what about the products now? So I've tried the Moehair Hair Guard Set Combo. Shampoo, conditioner and serum. Texture and smell are pleasant, but the product that I loved the most is probably serum, rich of vitamins and natural oils. You could take it with you for any occasion. But guys, now pay attention because we can start with the shower now. Another important tips is maintaining the correct temperature of water. It is very important to avoid stressing the scalp and don't damage the ends of the hair too much. First, I used shampoo and as I already said, the texture is pleasant and creamy, and for this you can gently massage your head to make the product penetrate the scalp. Then rinse your head with plenty of water and again continue the massage. The second step is to apply the conditioner, and as the shampoo is really creamy and the texture of our hair changes as soon as it is applied. At least rinse your hair another time with gentle water and then use a wet cloth to dry your hair. And this, guys, is the result. My hair is healthier and shinier, stronger and without knocks. And guys, believe me, because after discovering this beauty secret, I will no longer be able to live without it.